everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming back with some more project shares for the Scrap Diva Designs July release. You can find all these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com and get a 10% discount using my code PRISJAMIC10. All the details and links will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. So I'm coming back with this 3D carousel tray because I finally received this rotating bearing for the carousel tray, and I saw some that are from Amazon too, so you can check it out. And this one's like approximately 2 inches, but you can get even bigger ones if you have like bigger items you want to store on the tray. So, but this one works very well already. So I'm gonna put some foam tape, double-sided foam tape. You could use just regular hot glue or whatever it is, but I prefer to use this just in case it kind of like, you know, makes this not move, the hot glue. So I'm just going to put the foam tape on here in the middle, and then I'm going to put it into the middle of this tray at the bottom, approximately in the middle, and then we're going to press it down a bit. Look how awesome it is. It's like spinning so well with this. So glad I got it. And I have these diamond dot bottles that you could put in here, as well as this like huge jar of seashells that I got from Dollarama, and you can put that in. And yeah, look how well it spins. It's like awesome. This is like really nice. Love this. So that's that, and we're gonna move on. And next up is this May's Memorydex card. Very cute. It has this word "You're amazing" included with the die set. And what I did was I like cut it, like the foam is colored purple, and then I had this glitter purple paper that I cut sort of in half, so it makes this really nice transition of the color. And the backing is the shadow word also included, and it's kind of holographic. It's really cool. And this is the new Scrap Diva Designs paper collection called Hello Sunshine. It's really summer vibes, beach vibes, and tropical vibes. And here you see the really cute flamingo and all the nice florals around it. And all of these are part of Scrap Diva's Designs paper collection. And yeah, the maze is like super neat. I backed it up with foam as well to make it more dimensional. And yeah, and I have this 3D printed Memorydex stand that I could put on here. Or you can have one of those rotating 3D Memorydex stands. Those ones are nice too. I have a black one. I wish I got this like pink one that is only available at a certain website, but it sold out. And yeah, it was only for a limited time. So, but anyways, this is so cute. Love this. And next up, we have some retro words. And these words are really, I love the fonts on all of these. It's just so retro. Look how cool they look. And I just love this pastel-y colors on it. And it really goes well with any of your projects. So in the previous months we had retro theme, and we have this peace sign mini album. And it's just like so neat. You can just put, and I backed it up with some kind of brushed metal gold paper. And yeah, it has stitching on the side, which is really awesome. And what I did was I have like this colored foam here, and then this cardstock is on top of here. This textured yellow cardstock is on top of the foam, but slightly off, so it gives some kind of like shadow there too. It's really neat. and it gives more dimension too. So yeah, try it out. And so you could just add it onto your albums like this. I have like double-sided foam tape at the back already, and then I just put it on there, and it's like really, it just fits anywhere on your projects. It's just really wonderful. Love these fonts. And I'll show you another example. We had this retro van, and so this retro van, we could add this groovy sign on here like this. Look how cool it is. It just gives it more sentiment on the mini album. It looks really cool. So those are the retro words set. Go check it out. And next up we have this one, the 3D beach tote bag, and it's super adorable. And we also have that shaker umbrella. I believe this is the smaller one. And these donuts are from my stash, and I've added this really nice tassel for the beach tote, and there's like a crab charm on here. And this is the Scrapdivadesigns chipboard for Hello Sunshine. It's just awesome. Even the paper is part of it. And I did a double backing of 110-pound cardstock here to support all these elements. But yeah, other than that, it's really cute. Very awesome. You can store so much stuff in here. It's a really big beach tote bag. Just so summer vibes, beach vibes. And finally, I have this one, this butterfly set number 2 mini album. I made it into a banner. So yeah, it comes with this big butterfly and then this little small butterfly. And I was inspired by this Caravana festival that we have in Toronto when I saw this butterfly. And we also had these embellishments from Scrapdivadesigns Hello Sunshine ephemera set. So I was like, oh my gosh, these look so good as a costume for this girl, and it just fits perfectly this theme, and I just loved how it turned out. And so yeah, so the smaller butterfly I added the on the back of this girl, so it looks like she's wearing wings, and then the bigger wing, because it's like really extravagant carnival. It's really nice. All the masquerade costumes are like just so awesome. Like all the details and the beading and everything is just, this reminds me of it, and so I was inspired by that. And here are the tassel and a little small gemmy butterfly charm. And I've decorated her hair with some gemmies as well, and added these flowers from the July release as well around her. And this is also part of the July release, this Good Vibes summer word set. And yeah, I'll just put all the links below. And what I did with this is that I folded a paper 8.5 by 12, 110-pound cardstock in half. And what I did, I used the die and I placed it a little bit above the crease line, the fold, to make it look so that it'll just like not fall apart, and so it'll look like a banner, as you can see here. So that's what I did. I added some of these strips that I cut out manually, and I glued it on to, before I glued the second layer, dotted layer on top of the 110 pink cardstock, I glued these strips on there so that you can't see it. So, and then I've added this ribbon onto there, and you can hang it as a banner. It's like really cool. So yeah, and it's just so cute. This is the perfect size for this little butterfly, and it's just so cute. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, it's just so, I just love this. It's so whimsical. And at the bottom I have this like shiny, forgot what you call these again. These like really thin plastic kind of feel paper to the back of this butterfly, and it's like fluttering. Yeah, it's so adorable. So yeah, I have the my discount code pastramic10 for 10% off your entire purchase in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.